even sarcophaguses with mummified thigh bones to learn about Egypt. Hello, this is Dr. Jeff with Ed Family, and it's the open house for 3 of my daughters at their elementary school. And so what are some great things that I really enjoyed about open house as a parent and also as an educator? Now, some givens are, of course, the classroom and the teacher smiling and greeting you and all that, but let me talk about like student work. Like, what is it that my child was proud of? Like, that's what I'm wanting to see. What are the different things that they've done in the class, in the different areas? So all 3 teachers that I visited, they had a lot of student work samples, portfolios in each class where I saw essays and technology, digital work, artwork, even sarcophaguses with mummified thigh bones to learn about Egypt. TED Talks. Like, this is exactly the kind of stuff that I want to be looking for. Portfolio work. And in my district, we also have a big emphasis on this where we're focusing on the 5 C's. The 5 C's being communication, collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, and compassion. And so when students come to my class, hopefully they're going to see that the students are developing the 5 C's, and the students can demonstrate how they're growing in the 5 C's through my content area and the content area of my peers. This is Dr. Jeff from Ed Family, signing out.